Okay, tell.
No, father. My marriage and my father's and grandfather's ceremony happened in this church.
So what? We can bury you as well.
It's not that, father. I am wishing my daughter's marriage also should happen in this church.
So?
But my daughter Gina, she's in love with someone.
Okay, you had haplam and payasa, and then you had stomach full of food and you came here. You're really a big man. Joy, whatever mistakes we make, our tradition and culture will never change. How many years it's been since you came back from America? When those people don't care much about that, why do you care so much? Tell me why.
Father, when my daughter marriage happened at the first time only I got to know everything. But meanwhile, my second daughter Sophie.
Did she like somebody else? Go ahead.
Father, after they getting married to their wishes, you know what is the treatment I am getting now?
499 rupees cash on delivery.
499 rupees?
I didn't tell you. Cost of this dress. Hey Joy, we don't agree for intercaste marriage. Not only that, we don't even accept other Christians. You know our traditions and cultures, right?
Yes, father. First time when I got married and second time when I got married, they started understanding.
But who else didn't understand?
Our youngsters in the village should understand, right?
With the great thoughts and fight for the freedom, our one and only favorite Joyce, we need him for today's occasion. Let's begin the program. All hail to Jai Chandra, all hail. With the winning side, all hail to Annie.
Congratulations to my wife Rita.
My dear friend, this is your membership card. Our part is Youth King.
But I'm no more youth.
Don't worry. Your daughter is youth, right? Let it be. What's wrong? You are not smiling? You don't worry, sir. We all are here, right? Everything will be fine. Fine.
My friend, Joy, first 2 weddings I can forgive. But the last one, within a least you got married in the party office, that cannot be forgiven. What is the reputation of your family? Everything was completely destroyed. Every year for the boat race competition is hosted by your family, and that's the reason you are taking advantage. You married your daughters in a different community?
Nothing like that.
Kochara Paul Memorial Trophy boat race shall be changed, and this is decided by the committee.
Oh.
From next year onwards, Vatican Trophy is the name, and this is the committee's decision.
Father, please don't cheat me. The trophy which belongs to our house, at least once I should take it to my house. I have a dream. I have spent so much and on that boat also.
Whatever it may be, let the people also know what is happening. Joy, you know love is not bigger than the faith. Along with the confession, this time you win the boat race and prove it to me.
Father, what are you...
Don't say anything. That's the forgiveness. I pray to the Lord in the name of Jesus to give peace and prosperity to this world. Amen.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him. My dear Jesus, my Lord bless us. Amen.
What a surprise! That Joshi brother has come to the church today. I think he has made some mistake, or else father won't punish us like this. Mm? Mm.
In all your ways, submit to Him.
In front of all these people, you disrespected me. I'll never forget. I'm not gonna leave you too.
Don't blame me for asking you to purify and prove it to me. What, Joyce? What is the matter today?
Hey, stop it, man. How many times you're swinging that? Keep quiet. Hold this. I want to share one small thing with you all. First of all, you people are giving little respect to my wife. And if I think about me, it is very worse situation. What is that big mistake we have done to you guys?
Hey, Joy. Just now you got purified from your sins. Again, what is your problem?
You don't talk like that, father. He has one more daughter. Let her get married. Then you'll see. I think they will decide later.
If you marry her to a different community, you have to face the consequences.
The legacy of my father and grandfather, you have changed the name of the boat. What else you need? You have already disrespected us.
Hey, Joyce. Past 25 years we have been seeing in that boat race. At least once. Your villagers. Have you ever won the trophy? No, right?
When gentlemen like Simon participate in the boat race, all we believers will support only their Kumaragan city boat. My friend, Joy.
Yes. Just like every time, this time also we are going to win it. If the trophy belongs to Kochara family, this time we are going to change for our family.
Keep quiet, man, Simons. In this year boat challenge, Simon will be captaining. Before getting into the water Kochara club boat, I'll finish my daughter's marriage in this church. Only you wait and watch. This is my challenge.
Hi!
Hey, Pummy.
Come, come, come!
Then, what's up?
Where is Happy, bro?
I don't know.
Music is good, right? Okay, 1 second, yeah? Hello?
I have seen lot of girls in Punjab, but after seeing you, I got a lovely feeling. Between us, we don't have a much relationship, but I want to spend my rest of life with you. Mary, will you marry me? Hey,
Dr. Happy Singh. Are you mad? Why are you proposing to the horse? Why are you acting like this? Why can't you propose directly? Okay, who is that girl?
Ma, please don't pull my leg. One day I'll get her and I'll show you.
Then okay.
Thank God I said I don't know how to shoot, or else
Sharad, what happened?
this person till today hasn't used a gun, man. He's pissed off because he read that letter. Oi, Happy.
Huh?
What is this? Huh? Invitation to Dr. Harjit Singh as a guest speaker at the seminars of procedures of breath control of street dogs in Karnataka. Karnataka? Huh?
Dad, actually...
What?
I will explain. That is his most important dream project. So he has got a great opportunity in Kerala. We are watching daily about the street dogs and wounded dogs. I have seen. Haven't you seen?
Even I've seen that.
Yeah.
See, even he has seen. Please let him go, dear.
How many times have I warned you not to speak in Kannada? Veterinary doctor. You're dealing with a dog's doctor. Deal with men. Why is he not like his father?
He thinks he's still in military, right?
Keep quiet, man.
I don't want anyone going to Karnataka ever. You want to go to Karnataka?
It's okay.
You want to go to Karnataka?
No, sir. Very happy here.
Hey, shoot fast, okay? Shoot fast. Will you shoot or I'll shoot you back?
No, I will only shoot you, sir. Very good, sir. Oh God, I can't take this.
Listen, when you make a poster, Do Photoshop on my right side. Donald Trump on the left. Kim Jong-un.
Super idea.
East or west with Punjabi best. All the Patiala people should know. Everybody should know the strength of Major Indrapal.
Oh my god. He shot his own photo.
Oh my god, how many times should I say to unload this gun? See now what happened.
Key. After telling all these things, you're still talking in Kannada. Hereafter, not even a dog should talk in Kannada. How is this?
What is he saying?
Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. If he doesn't like Karnataka, but he likes our Dr. Rajkumar, he still remember the past. Hey bro, sir, take it.
Oh, give it.
Wow, very nice. Listen, my two in-laws, Akahim and Vimal Prem, both are coming out from jail. They did a good job and went to jail.
Honor killing. I think they'll do the same to me. Okay, sir, I will leave.
1 minute. You have one more work to finish for me. She is my daughter,
Pummy. Yeah, I know her.
and this is me.
Father-in-law.
What?
It's really nice, sir. Really nice.
He's my future son-in-law, Rishi Raj Singh.
Rishi Raj, what are you
In
saying?
wedding invitation, I should be in between them, just like this, just like blessing them. Did you understand?
Yeah, I got it. In my life, I'm the first person. I'm creating a wedding card for my girlfriend.
Yeah, okay,
Bro,
okay.
give me a
Fine,
hand.
relax. Look at here. You are in. See? See? Your problem is solved. That's it. Huh?
Hey, did you see my phone? She has called 25 times.
How many times I'm calling? He's not picking the call. What shall I do now?
Let's make some ideas. Be calm down.
I cannot control anymore. Go get some weapons. Let us fight with those people.
Okay, just leave all that. Imagine if you go and meet her now. First, you have to jump over the wall. Then, you have to start fighting with everybody. Then, you should enter her room.
Good idea.
Then, after entering the room, first bullet to your leg, second one to your neck, well, rest 26 to your body. Then, we'll take a nice picture of yours and put it in a studio. Then, RIP.
What a negativity. Friend, you are man. You don't have heart. You don't have heart at all.
Why are these guys so heartless? You know, right? That Happy Bro loves you.
Pummy, Happy is a very nice guy. But I don't have much time for
You do
this.
one thing now. Just take a horse photo and do a Photoshop. Then just paste it here. Board name will be Happy Veterinary Clinic.
Including you. Even you don't have any courtesy because you are a Hindi guy, right? That is why.
Happy Bro is so innocent. Even me too.
Just be quiet, yeah. I will call Sharath.
Oh, that's Mary. Hello?
Sharath, I'm Mary. Why are you not picking Pummy's call? She's crying here that she can't live without you. I have to go home early. Please come fast here.
No. Actually, it's me, Happy.
How can you be happy by knowing all this? Then there is no value for our feelings. That's what. This is called Jen's ego.
Oh God, it's not the Happy you think. It's me, Happy Singh.
Give the call to Sharath.
Sharath is actually a little wrong.
Then what would he do if he has a useless friend like you? If he would have been a South Indian guy, then he could have been marry her without any fear. Phew.
Hey, bro. Sharath.
Hey, you go, man. You go get the weapons, man, to kill the Punjabis. Go, man.
Mr. Happy Singh, what's the matter? After taking the small drag, you're completely off. Who are you? Who are you? You are in your own world and you made me come out. If you want me to say in your favorite Rajni style, I would say Chitti 2.0. What did you say? Hey, when you can face thousands of people, what is the problem to face, man? If you're like this, you'll not take any decisions. So, from here after you listen to me, and you must listen to me. Hey Sharat, get up, man.
Hey, how much ever you request, I'm not gonna give this. Get lost.
Sharat, hey Sharat, get up, man.
If I try go bringing her, they will definitely shoot me on the head and leg, guarantee.
I think there will be a pet too. Let me keep this for safer side. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hello, sir.
Hey, keep quiet.
Pick the call, please. Huh? Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me.
Hi, Mary. You know what? I just brought her and took her back. Now, what do you say?
Did you take her away? What I said? Happy, don't crack a comedy.
Huh? What are you saying? You only said that, right? Your boys would have got her back. I don't have time to talk all this. You just get out of the hostel. I'll come and meet you.
I'm not in hostel. I'm here only.
What? Where?
In Promise home only. See here. Happy, just bring her back here only. Please.
Listen, I already picked her up, okay? If you want, you take her back. Well, if someone asks, you can just say, you girls came out to kiss together. Eh?
Where are you going at this night?
Hey, what did you do, man?
He's bloody dead. Oh, hey,
Happy,
come, let's go.
please leave me. Happy.
Come fast.
Happy? Then what are you thinking to do right now?
Well, next, what I'm going to do is, we have to move on.
Hello? Hello, Dad. There is a problem here.
Hey, hey, slowly, man. Hey, slowly, man. Hey, this side. Be careful, be careful. Hey, listen. Hey, slowly, man, slowly. Hey, hold it, man. Hey, hold. Hey.
Hey, don't
Hey,
go
what's wrong
back.
with you?
Come, friend.
Hey,
Hey, you.
hey, climb.
Oh,
slowly.
Happy.
Hey, take a leg. Okay, happy journey. Go and call me.
Then aren't you coming with us?
No. I can't come. My father is too strict.
If you be here, only Pummy family will kill you. How can I take these both people alone?
Hey, you are not taking them, right? The train is taking them.
Hello, Dad. Till now we are safe only. What? People are coming to see me? What, Dad? What are you speaking at this time? I'll come safe to my village. Then marry me to anyone. I'm already in train, Dad.
Hello, Happy. Where are you taking Pammi? I say your video has been viral. Hey, what are you doing, man? Just get that girl back. You don't have any respect for your father at all.
Hey, you have got caught. Jogendra is thinking you have picked her up. You're getting my point? If your father gets to know what will happen, you know, right? In this situation, going to Kerala is the best point. Hey, get lost, man. After listening to you, all this happened. Okay? Hey, just listen to me carefully. If you don't pick this train now, you can never express your love to her at all. Don't waste this chance. You have chance to spend with her 4-5 days. Anything can happen in this beautiful journey. Haven't you seen in movies? No, I haven't seen. Now I get to know how dumb you are. Just go inside, man. Rest of your life begins now. Hey, go, man, fool. Go, fool.
Get in. Come fast. Come. You said you won't come.
Don't underestimate the power of common Sardar.
It's enough. Go inside. Akahim, Vimal Prem. Pammi is my biggest enemy. She has taken Indrapal and ran away. That witch, she made my head down in front of everybody. You both should go right wherever the hell is she. Just bring her back in front of me. I am not going to let them go just like that. Just go.
What? Hey, Pammi. Hey, Pammi. What are you doing here? How did I come here? Hey. How did we come here, man?
We are running away, man.
Are you people running away? How did we come here?
What did you say?
No, you both are running away. That is good only. How did we get here?
Shut up. Then, have you joined army?
Oh God. 5 a.m. PT, 8 o'clock breakfast, 10 o'clock parade. I really can't survive with all this time schedule and all.
Oh, then what do you want from life, Happy?
Our purpose of life, we should help and live without any reason. And to share all this beautiful experience, I need a life partner too. This is my dream. So, what is your dream?
Actually, I always wanted to be a dancer.
Why did you become dancer?
I will always choose a safe option in all things.
To secure our life, we should follow some principles. For those things, we should never give up our self-respect and standards. That is my opinion.
Then only I met him last. That was
Mary, in spite of drinking Punjab lassi and also eating dry roti, I would like to have a homely food and also beautiful fish curry and also to have a beautiful chat like this. I just need a life partner like this. Mary, will you marry me?
From past few days I have not drunk. Completely I have become off. I don't remember anything.
So whatever I spoke all this while you don't remember?
Huh? What did you say? Happy, I cannot fall in love with you or anybody else. I have decided to marry a Christian guy. That's my father's decision.
So what? I can read baptism and get converted.
Suddenly, we can't change like that, Happy. We have to feel in our heart. That is not only the matter, your parents and my extended family. If we both want to marry, we have to face many problems.
Mary, I'll sort it out, but I need your opinion first.
It can't be like that, Happy. Both the parents have to accept our love. Not only for that, we can't change our religion for our marriage.
Hey, I'm already a hybrid guy. So, I'm already a half Christian. For you, I'll become a full Christian. Mary, please, just one try talking a word to your father.
Leave me.
Mary, if you say, definitely your father will agree.
You have coming behind me from past 10 months.
Yeah.
Can I ask one question? What is the reason to like me?
What will be the reason to dislike?
What do you know about my family? About my sisters and their husbands? What do you know? You have to cross 4 levels to get married me. My elder sister Gina has worked in IT. Did you attend interview? Meeting her? Oh, okay. Chhe. Married to Jitendra Verma, who is a rich person and only one son. Oh, you said you are there in meeting?
No. I didn't say meeting. I said eating.
Then, didn't you attend that interview? Or else, you are searching for a job to your status. Then do one thing. I have kept clothes in bathroom. Why can't you hang them up after finishing that? Then, bring some milk. Then, after finishing, please iron the clothes. Afterwards, you take rest.
Instead of working so much, I could have gone for the interview. No, let me stay home.
My second sister, Sophia. She's the fashion lover in my family.
What is that
I'm
sound?
handling critical patients. Please, you don't worry, baby.
She has married a person called Iqbal. He is the last generation of his ancestors in Ayurvedic.
Excuse me, daddy. Can
Wait.
you please come inside? Hi, uncle.
What?
1 second. My question is, daddy, like that, in human nervous system, can you tell which one is important? Actually, I don't know what happened.
I've told you so many times. People those are comfort treatment. Don't touch them.
You taught me theoretical, so I have played practical.
What theory? Keep quiet. Don't worry. Take a rest. You'll be all right.
What about my fees?
500 rupees, okay.
2000.
Not 2000. 500 is okay.
They said if you come here, I'll pay you 2000 rupees.
I didn't understand.
I don't have any problem. The thing is, that fellow called me and said I'll pay you 2000 rupees if you act here.
Hey, Iqbal.
My third sister, Yali, the person who have more positive. She work in cyber. She married to...
He's a freedom fighter, right? This advocate Ranagunda?
It's not like Ranagunda, Ranadev. This is not possible. I can't able to proceed this.
What happened, sir?
It's Annie from home. He's trying to change me.
So what? Take one, no? It's too hot, right?
According to party rules, we can't change like that. You want this?
Then, my parents have invited for Easter. We are going, na?
To your house. Me. Already there are 2. Why should I?
The Taliban and one more guy.
Easter with the 2 guys? Oh, it's difficult.
Now, my father has decided to marry a Christian guy after seeing the problems of all son-in-laws. So he has decided like this. My mother respects my father's words in every situation. You have to face this all peoples. By chance, if my family members accept you, are you able to lead your life in this town itself? You can't get anything related to Punjab.
Hey, actually, I thought of telling about us to
This is
them.
not the right time. I will talk about this later. Now you go and take some rest. Later on, we'll meet in church. Is it okay?
Okay, bye.
Mary,
Mummy?
come inside.
Hey!
Daddy!
Hey! Bro, did you tell her? Only talks or something else?
Hey, go man. Where is
Mummy, I
Mummy?
think she's learning cooking. Come.
Oh,
3 things which I shouldn't say.
Shabri temple and big loss in a Lok Sabha election.
Things that I should speak. Atmosphere changes, flat sailing.
Did Happy Bro propose you? Really? When did all this
Be
happen? Mary, where is your other friend? We didn't see him.
Everyone will join and come to Easter, Mom.
Oh, okay, fine.
Predictions of rain is very less. Also, expectation of earthquakes. Hey, what is this, man? Whatever I have to speak with my son-in-law and what not should I speak to with him also?
Yes. If you won't speak, you don't feel happy only, right?
Yeah. Hope they will not spoil it. You sit, dear. Where is Sheriff?
Thank you.
They both have been with Sheriff to meet their mom.
Oh, to talk regarding marriage, yeah? Very good. You eat, child. Listen, you know Kaku, right? He's been traveling to America to here now and then. He's coming today to see you. What happened, dear?
Daddy, I don't want that and all. I don't like to go to America.
Yes, that is fine. You see nearby place.
You just keep
na?
quiet.
Daddy, Mummy, someone has proposed me.
What? So even you just like your sisters, we don't have to see any groom at all.
I have not replied for that, Daddy. If you don't accept, even I won't accept that, you know, Daddy.
Look at me. What is his name?
Happy.
Coffee, yeah.
No, Daddy. Happy.
Happier. Is he Christian?
That's like that only.
He's our caste only, no?
Our caste only.
He's our caste, right? Oh my God, Kaku.
Stop. You can come. Come to the right.
Joy uncle, am I looking colorful? How elephant would be a colorful, I say? It'll be dark only. He's teasing me. Why are you taking stairs, man? Elephant can bow for you, right?
I don't want my elephant to bow in front of anybody.
Oh, who are these cops?
Petrol rates are high, right? That is why I want all the elephants to come on the road. Yeah, that's why all the arrangements.
That is fine, Kaku. Why did you get this elephant?
Uncle said he'll get me married to one of his daughter, but it never worked out. I thought I'll get married to Sophia and become safe here. So I bought this elephant. How is this comedy?
You didn't get married, you get Larry.
Hey, go man. Go man. Go man. Go. Get lost. Go.
Okay, you come inside. Who is this girl? She's Pammi, our Mary's friend. He's Kaku.
Coco?
No, it's not Coco. That's a cool drinks. I'm Kaku. Kaku from America.
Hey, she's a Punjabi, man.
I'm arranging for their weddings. She has liked a Kannada guy. Yeah. She looks like she's from a good background. Cheating your parents and coming here for a marriage, is it good? Is Pammi shy?
What do you mean?
What means? You have come to our village, right? Come, let's roam around. Come, I'll make you sit on the elephant.
On
Yeah.
elephant?
Come, elephant is the best. Where is my partner? Where is my partner? Where is Mary? She's inside. Come.
Oh, Mary!
Do you know? I really missed Annie and she missed out, so that's why I went to America. Just like that, everybody comes back when I've come back here. Basically, everybody comes once in a year. I come 4 times in a year. Mary, please accept me.
Kaku, you're my best friend, right? Kaku, someone has proposed me.
Huh?
Kaku, definitely you'll get a good person. I will only search for you.
Huh? Everybody tells the same thing, but nobody will help me out.
Kaku, please don't say this to anyone. Somehow I'll manage my father and mother. Will you support me?
Mary, do you know, baby? Last year when there was a big flood in Karnataka, our Karnataka people were actually suffering. All the 3 days in America, I was standing in the pool and shivering there because of this. Hereafter, I don't want to show any sympathy, Mary.
Can you do a favor for me, Kaku?
What?
That sacrifice favor.
You mean sacrifice?
Please? Thank you.
Oh my God, boss! Again sacrifice.
Yeah, we'll do it. Who is he? The guy who proposed Mary. All these days, Kaku was waiting. Good evening, Pammi. What, man? Who proposed my Mary, huh? See, you have no clue what am I and who am I. And you cannot go alive from here. You come in my place and watch Pogo channel, is it?
Tell me, who's the guy? Show me now.
I'm talking from so long. You want to know, right? Have you heard about Punjab? Punjab, Hindu, Gujarat, Maratha. Have you heard about the Galidan in Punjab? In Punjab is a political leader too, Joginder Singh. Joginder was murdered by one more person, Indrapal Singh. The one and only Indrapal's son, Devraj Pratap Singh. Happy Singh.
Who is he?
Hey, chill. Don't worry about this fellow.
He wants to enjoy his whole life, is it?
Hey, chill. No,
Hey,
no.
tell man.
No. He's misguiding you. I'm not that type of person. No. I'm not him. Okay, I'm going. Bye.
Hey.
Bye. I'll go. In the respect of Father and Lord Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Everybody should consume and also respect our food. And also we should be grateful to God. Take this. Hold it.
Bismillahir-Rahman. Oh, Jesus.
Keep quiet.
Everybody start eating.
What is this? It's a jackfruit seed.
This sweet is done by my mom. Who will get this? They will be the useless of this year.
Yeah, this is best comedy.
Yeah, we have to put it in our garden this.
Okay, I'll plant it. For your sake, I'll plant it.
It will not grow. Some crow will come and take it off.
Uncle, why are you saying like that? Why are you talking about crow here? You can talk about cow, na? Why
cow?
ours? Suddenly, why you are getting angry?
What is your problem when I say crow?
Yes, we can get angry. Hey,
Hey,
you
keep
shut up.
Like this.
Hey, please keep quiet. I'll take that seed and consume myself, okay? Okay, right? To the family.
To the family.
Why you don't want wine?
No, auntie, I don't like it.
It's very good.
But it's okay, auntie.
For you?
No, auntie, I don't have the habit of drinking.
What
There
about
is no
you?
permission for me, auntie. Sorry.
Take. Give this to them.
Hey, give that bowl. Serve everyone. Annie, give that bowl.
Daddy, tomorrow we are planning to go for temple.
What is the matter?
He wanted to worship, it seems.
This kind of practice, it's very difficult, right? Rolling on the ground, bare bodies. It's too difficult, right?
Whatever you say, it's not like the pain of circumcision, right?
Hello, what do you know about that? It's not for kids. It's a name of the god. There is no pain in that,
How
uncle.
would I know, man?
Are you not ashamed to fight like this? Karl Marx has said no religion, no caste. Understand? Marx, no, uncle. Marx.
Dear brother, you try to say something on your own, okay?
No, you are fighting now. So
It's
only.
none of your business.
No,
Please
like,
shut
not
up
like
and
that. I
sit.
just compromising. Okay, enough.
Enough. Just stop
Did you see?
it. Mom, I'm feeling like to eat fish curry. You want it? Do you have it?
No,
What? Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll go to the market and get lot of different fishes. It's been long. I haven't gone to the market.
What is that?
These days I can't find my caste. Only different castes are there.
Huh? What are you speaking, Dad? Everything has a limit.
What, yeah? What did I speak now?
Uncle, you should not talk like this.
rapista. I didn't know about this.
Go inside.
Go inside. I have told you n number of times. Talk to us properly.
No, uncle.
In other countries, so many people were talking bullshit on our caste. And do you think I'm racist? Huh?
Please listen
Hey,
to
shut
me.
up. See the way he's telling. I have 4 daughters. Out of 4, 3 are married different caste. And I'm racist, is it?
Dad, you didn't give me as a offer.
As we have love, that's why you have married.
If you talk like this, no one will consider as your Christian.
So you guys are telling I'm racist, huh? Okay, let it be like that only.
Uncle,
Sorry, uncle.
What are you staring there? Just come.
Now, are you people happy?
Auntie, now are you satisfied?
All of you insulted us so badly. Are you happy? You all are acting so badly. Shut up.
Who started? You people started.
What did we do?
Because of you people, we get bad name. Before leaving, let's get compromised.
We can't have a peaceful dinner also here in this house.
Democratically, we should find a solution for this.
Eat, my daughter. Come inside.
Everything is going really fine.
Have cool drinks.
Oh, Jovinder Singh, how are you? Hi.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Best wishes.
There is one thing to tell, Mr. Indrapal.
Whatever I have kids done, it is wrong only. But one thing is really good. From enmity, we have become a good friends now. Yeah, well said, sir. Well said.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Please make yourself comfortable. At the earliest, we should finish this wedding occasion. Yes, I don't have any issue with this. Do you have any issue? No. I think we have done with this beautiful conversation.
Yes, that's true. It's definitely true. Yes, that's true. It's definitely
You
true.
have get a call. Please take.
Yes, tell me. Who? One second. Yes, tell me.
Hello, Mr. Indrapal. Is your only son happy, right? He has been tortured and forced by Kannadigas to get married. And that too with the Kannada girl. Come fast and try to stop it. Or else, your son's face, you will never be able to see him again.
Hey, how do you know, man?
Boss, I had working in Punjab in 5 years.
What did he say?
In Punjab, I working in 5 years. Their circus with 5 years.
What did you tell him?
It's not nice in Kannada. If I say in English, it's punch. However, I confused him.
Your son is with a Joginder's son friend.
Then?
He has ran away with Kannada girl. Any problem, Indrapal? No problem. No problem. Then call Deepika and Ranveer. Why do we disturb them at this moment? I think we'll wait for a good moment. Why waiting, Indrapal? Those kids gave us a surprise. Let's give them a bigger one. Just call them. There should be a DJ with a loud music. Happy Weds Pummy. Happy Weds Pummy. Then eat laddu and happy. Be happy. Yes.
Jesus Christ, we worship you.
Boss, she is looking you. I didn't sleep at all. Boss, 4 girls are coming, right?
Hey, go man, she's mine. Mary's mine. Oh God, why are you hitting me like that? Just act, I say.
Bloody, I will kill you. Look at him. Look at him. How he is behaving.
Uncle, give to me. I will rotate.
I'll not spare you. Just get lost, man.
Not like that, uncle.
Why you started quarreling? Can't you keep quiet?
Did you see him? How he spoke? Whatever. I'll get one more son-in-law, right? At least out of 4 daughters, one is intelligent.
Inder uncle, auntie, please forgive me. Happy bro has not even done one mistake. Do you know, he's like my brother.
Frankly speaking, just because of us, Happy came along with us and tried helping me out. And he likes Mary only.
Uncle, please see Mary. She's a very nice girl.
But what do I tell to Joginder? We fixed your wedding, daughter.
Uncle, I and Sharath have decided to marry. Without you people, it's not possible. I only have you people. Please, uncle, please help us. Please.
You people are elders, sir. You know everything. Please, do something for us also, sir.
Don't talk too much and spoil it.
Ashu.
Okay. I will speak with your father.
Dad, actually...
You shut up. Once we finish this wedding occasion, you should come back to Patiala. And that's my order.
Mom, without my permission, how did you fix my marriage with Pummy?
The CCTV footage of yours and that girl's has become viral throughout the Punjab. That's why we have fixed the marriage.
Mom, just take Dad to Patiala and try convincing him. And also try talking about my and Pammi's marriage.
That is why we are going to shopping, no?
Really?
Hmm. Still, I don't know whether your father has informed at girl's house.
Don't worry, I'll take care of all these
No
things.
issue about your father. Okay, come, we'll have tender coconut.
Hey dear, if there are so many complications, forget this relationship. You don't have any feelings on Happy Bro. That he will understand.
Pammi, if you say to Happy, he will understand. But now I can't understand.
What? Huh? What? Show me your face. What? Ask some help from your sisters.
I had a courage that I have 3 more sisters after me and I got married living my culture. Yes, you have thought right. Even I did the same thing thinking that I have 2 more sisters after me. Oh, now you're going. I thought Mary is there after me and I followed my elder sisters.
My dear, please don't follow our path. Make your own way. At least you don't make any mistakes, which we had done before.
Oh God. You was only always telling that I'll get married to a Christian. Now what happened?
Not like that.
Mary, what you're doing is not correct.
I was the only reason for your marriage, but now you are not making any favor to me. Don't you have courtesy? I shall live now.
Hey, she is going. Even what she's telling is truth. We should all support her, no?
For that, we shall have self-confidence, right?
Even that is right. We'll think some idea that they should be together.
Impossible. It's impossible, Iqbal. We will not agree for this. Even if I agree, how will I see my relative's face? That's why we don't agree for this. Iqbal, instead of standing here, you go see if the oil is ready. Okay? Go.
Oh, that was very important, huh?
He said everything. We should not tell any matter.
Cool, Sophie, cool. I'll change the mind.
Did I tell that your father's daughter should get married to that Punjab boy?
No,
No.
not at all.
Being a Christian, I only spoke about my sister. Suddenly, what happened to your father?
Baby, nothing like that. I will manage you.
Did I tell that you will not maintain? 2 days I'll go to my father's house and I'll come back. That only I told, no?
Yeah.
Before that, you spoke everything and spoiled everything. Who told you tell about this marriage? I'll feel burning if I see them. Keep watching. One day I'll kill him like anything.
Hey, slowly. They're outside.
First of all, you're not right and your family also. You make everything correct, then you call me. Then only I'll come back.
Sophie.
What?
Nothing. Go carefully.
You came off? Where is Iqbal? Don't ask me about them. Don't ask me about them also. I told you to not call me while coming itself. I will not come.
Everybody, please come. We'll have lunch. I have prepared
1,
fish
2,
curry.
3, 4. 4 people have come.
Are they drunk or what? Hey, Happy, what are you staring, man? Go and start.
Hey, he's Mary's boyfriend, right?
Oh God. Boss.
Yes, tell me what happened.
I think we are losing it.
Okay, should I come?
Situation is very bad. Don't come here.
Shall I go back to my auntie's place and hide?
Please do that. That is better.
Or shall I go back to US?
Oh, come on.
Catering, pandal, stage decoration. I met everyone and settled them also. And you can check out the bills.
You know how fast all the girls grow. Mary, she's my real love. Not like other daughters. If I say a word, she will never disobey it.
Yes, sir. Mary's same as of now. She was telling the same. Without my dad's permission, I'm not gonna marry at all.
Happy.
Yes, sir.
Once upon a time, I was against all this tradition. But now I'm trying to understand our customs and religion. It is just a blind belief. With my daughters and in-laws, celebrating a great festival, is it wrong thing? Is it wrong?
No.
I think your parents are the same like me.
Don't worry about my parents, uncle. I'll just take care. For your sake, I'll get converted into Christian. And also, in future, my kids will also be the part of this community.
Hey, hold on. You both are gonna make me mad for sure. I'm not villain. I'm already going through pressure.
Tomorrow in boat race training, we'll keep a laughing therapy also. It will release all the stress.
I know very well. Just to convince me, you came here and joined the race. But now, you're really enjoying all these things, right? But one more thing. For Mary to search a Christian boy is not at all a problem for me. For me, this cup is very much important.
For sure, this cup is ours, sir. Don't worry, I'm with you.
Frankly speaking, after you came here, people have been inspired from you. You understood? I'm really bored at home. But if I think about boat race and practice, I'll be more excited.
Uncle, you're very happy at home, right? Then what's the issue?
Yeah, what happiness. My son-in-laws always fight. So my daughters never come. So only me and my wife at home. It's been more than 30 years of my marriage now. Where is the happiness? We sleep separately.
Sir, can I tell something? You should never hide your love. You should always express it.
Really?
Yes. In relationship, the main thing is touch. When you touch somebody, happy hormones will release. It makes a difference. Once you have to try, uncle. Then just check the experience of this spark, uncle.
Oh, okay. I don't want to be in our bad books at this age. Just stop the boat here, man. I'll get down here, okay?
Okay. Careful.
Hey, Happy. Will you take care of my daughter properly?
If you give me an opportunity, uncle.
I'll take care of all that. Well, before the boat race, you guys get engaged. Oh God, not even a month left. Definitely we can't do in our church. We'll go to some other village and do in Catholic church. Okay? And also let Father Jimmy gets to know that Sarjarji got converted to a Christian through Joyce. Okay, you go.
Okay,
hey,
sir.
go and drop him, man. And also, let your father come and meet me, okay?
Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Oh, yes. Yeah. Bala bala. Yeah. Mary, come here. Just come down now. I want to speak to you.
What?
Just start preparing yourself.
What?
I got green signal from your father. Yay! Bala bala bala. Bye bye.
Happy?
Huh?
Your father accepted.
What?
Hey, idiot. Your father accepted for your marriage.
Really? Yes.
Now you can marry Mary. 1 minute, I'll give to your father.
Deti hu. All this language you can learn later on. Happy.
Yes, Dad.
You both listen to me very carefully. If you want to get married here, I have a condition. Wedding should be in Punjabi style. And the girl should convert into Sardarini. So happy? Are you happy?
Hey, for Happy Bro's marriage, Joyce uncle and Indrapal uncle both have agreed, it seems. Huh? Let's wait and see.
No. Let's go back.
Come here. Have some work with you.
Who are these people?
Dad. Smile, Dad.
Rita, call my daughter.
Rita, these are all sweets. Everybody give, no?
Thank you, thank you. Congratulations.
On this engagement occasion, we give gifts. That is our respect.
Poka, what is that?
Oh no, uncle. Be cool, be cool. That's it.
Well, dates, all these things when we spoke on the phone, you don't have any confusions, right? Let's discuss about the food.
Food should be Punjabi tradition.
Oh, it's little difficult. In our tradition, we have to arrange wine, fish, curry, and also non-vegetarian food. Right.
Uncle, otherwise, what if we make fusion in food fusion?
Yeah, uncle. Karnataka starters and Punjabi side dish. Combination will
Punjabi
good.
side dish and Kerala style dessert.
I don't want to confuse the menu.
Hey, the way they're talking, I'm really not liking, okay?
Please relax, uncle.
Please come, uncle. We will look our house. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Let's see the house.
Come, let's go.
You don't stand with Pummy here. Go speak. Go speak.
God bless you.
Thank you so much, uncle, for accepting our marriage.
In this dress, you're looking very pretty. Beautiful. The dress which you're wearing is a tradition of Punjabi, right?
Wow, awesome. Do you know about this? I could have met you first before than Happy.
It's all his fault. He never said, right?
Yes, uncle. Happy communication skills is less than yours, uncle.
It's not less. It's very bad. Let's take a selfie. Come. Punjabi style. Hey, Punjabi.
Hey,
Enjoy.
She's very quiet. Very nice girl. But their family. But there was nothing Punjabi about it. They didn't even give me a gift.
Not like that.
Why?
Hey, relax, Dad. From here, it's all our style. I'm sure.
Do whatever the hell you want. But make her Sardarni. Or else they'll start making them and treat them like a maid. That Joe. And you should keep bending your head down in front of them, okay?
Oh, Dad. Before wedding, she'll get converted into our caste. I'm sure.
that's
Okay. All these arrangements, I've already made it, Dad. You don't worry.
What happened?
Nothing, Pa.
I don't have any hesitations to get you married. Please don't feel bad for that.
Thank you so much, Pa.
In Punjab, will it happen in church? At least the reception here in our church?
Vijay, please come here. 1 second.
That's my gun. Be careful, it's loaded.
I am from the army.
Oh,
What is that?
what? Grandfather, forgive me.
When did I said that I'll become Sardarini? You decided that you'll become a Christian and marry me like a Christian. Now what are you doing?
Mary, I'm really sorry. Just to convince my father.
Now they will feel bad about me, right? In this situation, should we marry happily?
What are you saying?
Let me try still more time. If it not happens,
Mary, we have come till the end. We'll try for some more functions. That one, somehow I'll manage, arrange and take there. After that, I'm sure. At least once I'll convince them. After marriage, I'll definitely convince them and fall on their feet.
happy.
Mary, please. Without you, it's very difficult for me to